Hello everyone. Welcome to our another amazing video for our smart little ones. Sit back, relax and join the little ones as we tackle 100 inventions African kids must know. Are you ready, adults? Are you ready, children? I said, are you ready? Come on, let's go. I invented the 2G network communications technology. It helps your phones and computers to talk to each other, to send and receive messages, pictures, videos, and emails.
Who am I?
In 1971, I invented the gamma electric cell, which converted gamma rays into electricity, which uses radio waves to transmit and receive audio signals.
Who am I?
In 1969, I invented a surveillance camera.
Who am I?
In 1923, invented a 3-light traffic signal.
Who am I?
In 1964, I invented an electric microphone which improves the hearing and the talking quality on electronic.
Who am I?
I have over 200 inventions. In 2006, I invented the Voice over Internet protocols. VoIP is the technology behind WhatsApp, Zoom, and Skype calling possibility.
Who am I?
In 1981, I invented a laser-focal or a laser surgical device. My invention helps millions of people with eye problems.
Who am I?
I invented a Please Call Me messaging. My invention helps millions of people without money to send a message free of charge to request another cell phone user to call the sender.
Who am I?
I used soybeans and clay to invented a process and products such as paints and stains.
Who am I?
In 1848, I invented a carbon light bulb filament. This invention made the lasting electrical lighting possible.
Who am I?
In 1980, I invented the illusion transmitter, which helps us receive pictures from far away in the space. It also helps to make television screens and see 3D movies.
Who am I?
In 1914, I invented world's first gas mask.
Who am I?
I developed 300 products from peanuts and 118 from sweet potatoes, including shoe polish, bleach, chili sauce, instant coffee, and peanut butter.
Who am I?
In 1899, I invented a foldable bicycle frame.
Who am I?
In 1892, I invent an ironing board.
Who am I?
In 1890, I invented a fountain pen.
Who am I?
In 1887, I invented an automatic elevator doors which opens and closes automatically to keep you safe.
Who am I?
In 1899, I invented an improved rotary blade lawnmower.
Who am I?
In 1976, invented a programmable television remote controller.
Who am I?
I invented the electric roller coaster in 1887 and a synchronous multiplex railway telegraph to allow communication between train stations.
Who am I?
Well done, everyone. Did you get all the questions right? Don't worry if you missed some questions, try is the best. So it's okay to give it another try. Come on, let's go.